Hi, good morning. So today we are tackling this again, the big garden next door, and we have leaves to move, and also some sticks and well, not sticks, but leftover plants from last year that we have in piles. I'll show you in just a moment. And we're gonna move those out of the way so that it's all ready to till. So we have this pile over here that needs to get moved. We got some little piles over there and here and over there too. We're gonna move those out of the way and then put that pile of leaves into some containers because we're going to actually mulch with that. I'll show you, hang on. So we're saving some of this to mulch with, and the rest of this is gonna get tilled in to the garden. So it'll just be some added nutrients for the plants. So as I was saying, this area over here is staying the same. I think I've talked about that before. And this area over here is what's gonna change, which is where the food will be. The flowers will be over here, and those are the same format pretty much as last year over here. And no tilling, just weeding. And we've done some weeding, but we still have some to go.
This garden is really good for helping us, and I'm eating, you call them clementines. That's a good word. So I'm doing the and they're orange, wow. And that.
All right, can I see you?
Sure.
Can I see the GoPro, please? Thanks, buddy.
Go for it, go.
Well, we started off this day using the garden bag to transport the leaves with. We gave it a fair chance, y'all. I mean, we really did. We had a backup plan, and it's a good thing we did. Because the bag ended up ripping. You'll see in just a moment that it rips. I think that's about it. And yep, there it is. And so we got out the wheelbarrow, and the wheelbarrow, of course, was the better method anyway. We were just giving, like I said, fair chance to the bag. You'll notice Aunt Susanna, her and the children pause understandably to admire all the worms work under the garden fabric that we were taking up. All right, I know somebody's wondering why we're using a spade and a snow shovel. And it's because that's what we had, and it worked for us. And really, that snow shovel was amazing. It held a lot of leaves, and that was really nice. I do want to comment on how wonderful it was. Like, the Lord was just in this day. It was just so fun and so beautiful to have the children involved in every step of the process this day. They were just delighted. It was just so, so special. Lastly, we cleaned up the dead flower stalks, and that was very fun.
Oh, nice work, Declan. Okay.
Two of my sons were involved in videoing. They were little videographers this day. They were enjoying every bit of this process, from videoing to actually physically being involved and playing around. It was fun. It was a sweet, sweet day, and they did a wonderful job. And Aunt Susanna did too. Everybody did great, and the Lord blessed us that day of fun and joy, even though we were cleaning up, which is sometimes not always as exciting as planting or going out and harvesting, but yet still so very important. And I think that spiritually we can take away something from that cleaning up before we grow some new things is often important. The wheelbarrow ride at the very end was the icing on the cake of the day. And I hope you enjoy watching this and feel blessed and hopeful for your garden this year in 2024.
Hey, good job. You all gonna get out?